Okay guys, so we're going to be making a minced beef fried rice. So we're going to be seasoning our minced beef. So to season the minced beef, I have some seasoning peppers here. So these are not hot peppers. These are called seasoning or flavoring peppers. So you can see how many I have here. I mean, you can put how many you want. So I'm not, going to give you a number for that. You can put how many seasoning peppers you want. I have some garlic here. Again, garlic is something you put how many you want. But always remember, smash your garlic first. So these I already smashed and peeled. So it's just for me to chop it up. Remember, smashing helps to release the allicin, which has the flavor compounds and so forth. So we have our garlic. We're going to be putting some onion as well. So I'm going to cut up some onion to add to it, and of course the other ingredients that I'm going to put to season, so you would see that. Here what I did is cut up some spring onions and cilantro. I wish I had more spring onions, but I don't. So I have some spring onions here and cilantro that I cut up, and this is going to go in at the end of my minced beef fried rice. All right, so let's get to cutting up the seasoning so we can start seasoning our minced beef, okay? Okay, so to this I'm going to add some onion powder or onion flakes. Let me just open it here like this. I'm going to add some garlic powder to it as well. I'm going to add some green seasoning to it as well. I will leave a link in the description showing you how you can make green seasoning. I'm also going to add some jerk seasoning as well. This is optional. You don't have to add it to yours. It's just that I just want to add a little extra flavor. I'm not going to add too much because it's spicy. Just add a little bit of jerk seasoning. And I also am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, so let's combine this now. I'm also going to add a couple dashes of soy sauce, given that we're making a fried rice, right? So I'm going to add some tamari soy sauce. Remember, as I've told you in the past, this is not a very salty soy sauce, and it's a gluten-free. So that's why I'm going to use it. So I just added, as you can see, a few dashes of that to keep with our fried rice theme. Okay guys, so we're going to make a sauce to go with our fried rice. Usually you just put soy sauce in the fried rice, but I'm going to be adding a little more than soy sauce to my fried rice, so I'm going to jazz it up, so to speak. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, my tamari soy sauce. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. See, I'm making my own a little different because, like I said, this is not conventional. This is something that I am doing to jazz up my my fried rice. So I'm also going to add some some sugar to this. I'm using jaggery powder, which is a raw cane sugar. So I'm going to add some jaggery powder to this because I always like to balance off salt with sweet. So we're going to add some of that in. So now we're going to mix this together, okay? So this is going to be our sauce that we're going to use to put in our fried rice. So we are making a fried rice with a difference, all right? As you can see, because I put in the tomato paste is very thick, so it's not going to be water, like just, you know, as watery as if I had just used soy sauce alone. You can't go wrong with adding flavors now, can we? All right, so now we have prepped everything. So let's head over to the stove. Okay guys, so now I'm going to fry an egg. What I did is just put a little bit of salt, what I did was just put a little bit of salt in the egg. So we're going to fry some egg first, and then we will cook our minced beef. Okay, so now we're going to remove our egg and we're going to now cook our minced beef. And a little more oil to it. Might as well finish what is in here. So guys, we're just going to leave this so our minced beef will cook completely. Okay guys, so our minced beef is now cooked. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in our frozen peas and carrots so that they can warm through. Okay. We're going to add in our rice. And of course, we're going to put back our egg. All right, I'm going to add in my sauce now. What I will do is taste to see if I need to add a little more of the soy sauce there. I just have to mix this well so I can combine everything. Just breaking up these chunks of rice, incorporate everything and everybody to get some color. Everybody has to get a little tan. Of course, if you want this spicy, you could add chilies or hot pepper to this. So let me just taste this to see if I need to add any more soy sauce. Put it on my hand. Blow it first because I don't want to burn my hand. I don't think I need to add any more soy sauce. I think this is good as is. So now I'm going to add in my spring onions and cilantro and mix everything through.